Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today, we have a nuclear crush. Here's how we're going to make this. You start off by adding 2 ounces of rum, followed by 2 ounces of raspberry juice. Mix of cranberry juice and raspberry juice. And then you add 2 ounces of pineapple juice. And then you pour that into an ice-filled shaker. You want to pop the top on it and then shake the hell out of it. Now, in a cocktail glass, you want to pour this mix out. Cocktail glass filled with ice. And then we got one last ingredient. It kind of mellows everything out. So it's not like super sweet. You want to top off with some club soda. I probably added 3 or 4 ounces if I had to guess. But that's it. That's the nuclear crush. Done.